welcome back to my YouTube channel Edu Academy. Today we are going to do the chapter quadrilaterals. Okay, so let's start the chapter quadrilaterals. सबसे पहले we need to know what are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, as the name suggests, they are the figures which have four sides. Okay, would you be able to tell me the figures which have or the shapes which have four sides? Yes, we have square, we have rectangle, we have parallelograms, and we have rhombus. Okay, so today we'll be going to study about the quadrilaterals. Okay, so basically these are the four sided figures. Okay, now what are the four sided figures called quadrilaterals? So basically quadrilaterals are the four-sided polygons. अब what are polygons? Four-sided polygons तो ठीक है मैम, polygons होते क्या, हमने तो first time सुना है नाम. So polygons are the closed figures which are embedded by line segments. These are the closed figures. ठीक है, just we have done an example which is square. Square has four sides here which are embedded by line segment and it is a closed one also. Similarly, it goes for the rectangle. It also have four sides, closed figure and have line segments. Fine, so these are the polygons. Now we'll come to the first polygon which is parallelogram. ठीक है, स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल तो हमने अपने बचपन में बहुत बारी पढ़े हैं. टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट पैरेललोग्राम फर्स्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम? यस, so we'll be making a parallelogram like this. Okay, so parallelogram होता क्या है वो पढ़ लेते हैं आज. सबसे पहले we'll be having the vertices A, B, C, D. The first property of a parallelogram is its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Are equal and parallel also. So सबसे पहले who will tell me which are the opposite sides? Yes, we can say AD is equals to BC. Also AD is parallel to BC. जो हमारा AD है वो BC के equal भी है, parallel भी है. Similarly, one more pair of opposite sides will be AB and CD. So AB will be equal to CD. Also AB will be parallel to CD. Fine. These two sides will be parallel and equal also. So this was the first property of parallelogram. Next we'll move on to the second property. What does the second property says? It says the parallelogram has two diagonals which bisect each other. So we'll be having a parallelogram ABCD. We'll be having a diagonal. First diagonal is AB and the other diagonal is, first diagonal is AC and the other diagonal is BD. So AC and BD are intersecting each other at a point. We'll name it as O. Okay, so basically what are they saying? That the diagonal AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect का meaning होता है that they divide each other into two equal parts, which means that हमारा AO will be equals to OC and OB will be equals to OD. This OB will be equals to OD. That's it. Fine. Let's move on to the other property, that a parallelogram has opposite angles equal. That means if we name it A, B, C, D, that means कि angle B will be equals to angle D because they are opposite. ठीक है. Similarly we can say angle C will be equal to angle A because these are also opposite. So we can write opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Got it? This was हमारी third property. Let's come on to the fourth property and the most important property, that if we'll be having a parallelogram A, B, C, D. In this parallelogram, the diagonal AC will divide this parallelogram into two equal halves. How? Or two congruent triangles we can say. We know that AC is dividing the parallelogram into ABCD, and we can see two triangles. One is ADC and other is ACB. Right? Fine. So if a diagonal is joined, suppose AC is joined, so AC is dividing the parallelogram ABCD into two congruent triangles. Okay. Say triangle ADC will be congruent to triangle ABC. Similarly, if we join the diagonal BD, अभी हमने AC join किया था, अब in this next question, next figure, we will join BD diagonal. अब हमने BD diagonal join किया, तो can anyone tell me कि BD is dividing this parallelogram into which two congruent triangles? Who will tell me? Okay, one is ADB and the other will be BDC. Okay, so one is triangle ABD and the other is BDC. Fine. Is this clear? Okay, we need to know only these properties. Okay, that's all for today. If you'll be having any doubts, anything you want to ask, you want to share, you can contact me on my Instagram. Okay, my Instagram handle I will be putting it in the description. You can contact me there. Thank you. Have a nice day.